If you were to unlock certain bottlenecks in connectivity, what would that be? How do you strengthen Bengal in terms of connectivity? There's a lot we could discuss around how flights come in, but at a very macro level, because in the interest of time, how do you look at unlocking experiences, please?
Sir, at present Calcutta is connected to 51 domestic destinations and 17 international destinations. Very recently, we were connected to the lost connectivity, in fact, was restored to China. It was Galapui, Bhutan, we restored it again. And one Cambodia also. These are the three destinations which were recently added to Calcutta's connectivity. The another thing, actually, in previous discussion, one emphasis was given on data. Data is very, very important if I want to take up the matter of connectivity with different operators. And before even coming to this stage today, I had worked something with our close associates in travel industry, and already taken up the matter with Air India and some other operators for restoring to some connectivity to Europe, which is dream of all of us. So that's what I am doing. And another thing is the regional connectivity scheme, which nowadays is playing a very important role. And in Airport Authority of India is already working on 2-3 things. One is capacity enhancement in Calcutta itself. Another new terminal is going to come soon. Not going to come soon, it will take some time, but then Calcutta Airport presently operates with 26 million capacity, and 2 million we will be adding in next 2 to 3 months. It is almost ready. Another thing is like new terminal, it will take some time, but then after that it will have the capacity of 40 million per annum, which is now 26 million. So that is the readiness of Calcutta Airport for connecting it to world from a different destination. And regarding the RCS, I talked to my headquarters today. Things are in pipeline for Malda also, and Bagdogra, one new terminal is expected to come in. Then there is some interaction, some work is going on for Kalaikunda in Hashimara also. So these are all the things which actually, as an airport operator, I can say.
So multiple airports, I think, will just change the game, having multiple entry points into Bengal. Thank you, Dhairen. And coming to